Now we are going to start the lesson 12 of class 4. The topic is three state of matters. Now we'll go. I am going to start giving the introduction about the lesson, the three state of matter. Matter is anything that has weight or mass and occupies space. Everything around us is made up of matter. Stone, wood, milk, water, petrol, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, and smokes, etc. are the examples of matter. All matter is made up of very tiny particles called molecules. Molecules are also made up of so tiny particles, we call it as an atom. Molecules are made up of still smaller, we call it as an atom. Atoms are the smallest things that can be identified as a material. As a whole, all materials are called matters. Now, our second point is matter exists in three states, that is solid, liquid and gaseous. Solid. A solid has a certain size and shape. In solid, the molecules are very close to each other. They are closely packed. They have definite shape and occupies definite space and definite volume. See the picture of solid. Our second point, that is the liquid. A liquid has a size or volume. Volume means it takes up space. In liquids, the molecules are less closely packed. They can move around little but not too much. That is why liquids are not hard and flow easily, and so are called fluids. The liquid have definite volume but no definite shape. It takes the shape of the container. Let's see the picture. Examples of liquids are water, milk, petrol, kerosene, etc. are the examples of liquid. Now I am going to start the gas. About the gas. A gas is matter that has no shape or size of its own. We cannot see gases. Gases have no color. In gases, the molecules are wide apart from each other and are loosely packed. We can say it is very loosely packed. That is why gases are not hard and move freely and spread everywhere. So, gases have neither fixed shape nor definite volume. Now you can see the picture of it. Our third point is matters are interchangeable. Three states of matters are interchangeable. A solid can change into a liquid form and a liquid can change into a gaseous form. These changes occurs as the temperature increases. Similarly, a gas can be changed into liquid and a liquid can be changed into solid. Their changes occur as the temperature decreases. Thus, we can say that the three states of matters are interchangeable. Now see the pictures of it. Our next is solute, solvent and solution. What these are? Some solid mix easily with liquids or dissolve in liquids. The solid that dissolve in liquid is called solute. The liquid in which the solute dissolve is called the solvent. And the liquid which is obtained after dissolving a solute in a solvent is called a solution. A solution is always clear. Now, water is a good solvent. It can dissolve a number of solids to make solution. Salt, sugar, baking soda are some solid which can easily dissolve in water. Take a glass of water, warm water, put a teaspoon of salt into it and stir it. The salt will dissolve in water and disappear from view. Solid that is solute. Salt that is solid. Water is the solvent and their mixture is the solution. Now our next point is some important definitions. The important definitions are melting, boiling, evaporation, condensation and freezing. Now one by one we'll go. The melting. If we heat a solid, the solid will melt into a liquid. This process is called melting. If we heat a liquid, bubbles will be seen on the surface of liquid. This process is called the boiling. If we continue to heat the liquid will change into a gas. This process of changing a liquid into a gas is called evaporation. If we cool a gas, the gas will change into the liquid state. We say that gas has condensed. This process of changing a gas into liquid is called condensation. That is change into another form. If we further cool the liquid will turn into the solid state. This process of changing a liquid into a solid is called freezing. Now see the picture of it, how it changes. With this, our lesson 12 is finished. Thank you.